If you think about it, most SEO teams don't act until they see their rankings start dropping. But I think your real wins happen before that, when you see your keywords actually start climbing. In this video, you'll see why rising keywords matter and 3 simple ways you can turn that momentum into lasting rankings before your competitors catch up. Now, you could look at your Google Search Console or any other keyword ranking software to see which keywords have jumped in the last few days. Now, those are the ones we want to focus on because we need to capitalize on that movement, especially if that keyword has high search volume and also if it jumped to the first page, but more importantly, if that keyword jumped between positions 1 to 3, because we know that keywords and pages that rank between 1 to 3 do get the highest CTR, so we want to capitalize on that. Now, when you get a list of those keywords and pages that have made the biggest jumps, what exactly can you do? Well, I would say there are 3 things you can do with that data. The first one is you can use that to strengthen pages that are already ranking. So when a keyword starts climbing, you want to make sure that Google understands that it deserves to keep a higher ranking. So what you need to do is make small updates to the page to help it stay there. A few things you can do is add content that answers obvious follow-up questions that a searcher would ask when they are on that page. That way, the page can be more helpful to searchers. You'll also want to improve headings so they match what people search for. Make sure your headings are descriptive and also focus on the keywords that you are targeting. And you'll also want to add internal links from other relevant pages. It'll tell Google that this page is actually pretty important because other pages on your website are linking to it. And you'll also want to make sure your page is more useful than your competitors that are ranking above you. So a few things you can add to make it useful are charts, even calculators people can use, and tables people can scroll through. So basically, we are improving the content of these pages so that the keywords stay high. Another thing you can do with this data is learn exactly what Google is rewarding right now. Because if you think about it, the rising keywords show you the topics and page types Google already trusts on your site. So this tells you what to create more of and what to update next based on those real ranking movements you've tracked. So I would note which topics keep appearing. So if it's a specific set of keywords that you've noticed are increasing in rankings, or other types of topics, be it laws you mentioned, pricing, comparisons, educational content you notice, keep track of those content types. Also be specific on the type of content, right? Is it a blog post, a guide, or product pages? Which ones are actually rising for you? And look for repeated intent as well. So is it informational or commercial types of pages that are rising? And once you understand this, we can then decide where to spend time and effort. So instead of spreading SEO work across your entire site, you can focus on what's most likely to grow. So maybe you should be focusing more on, blog posts and guides, or more informational content or more commercial content, right? Because you get faster results with less effort by pushing what already has momentum. So choose the rising pages first for content updates when you are deciding on what pages on your site to update. You'll also want to pick these URLs for link building. And also you might want to delay work on pages that aren't moving. Maybe you have been trying to focus on some pages that have been ranking very low and you haven't seen much movement. So maybe what you could do is pause on that work and maybe just focus on the pages that are actually rising in rankings. Now, manually tracking which keywords have risen the most in Google Search Console, for example, could get pretty tedious. So I would recommend checking out the Rising Keywords report from Website Ranking Checker. This is actually a free ranking checker tool that you can sign up for, and this connects to your Google Search Console. Now, this report instantly shows you the keywords with a 25% or more more position improvement week over week. So for my website, the report found 15 opportunities. We could take a look at this graph here, which shows us the fastest climbing keywords. So from, the lowest position up to the highest position at the right-hand side. And then you can see how many impressions these have received as well over the past week. Now, taking a look at this data is extremely important. And if we act on it, we can really capture more search traffic. So say, for example, this first keyword here, it was originally ranking 5, but it jumped to 2.4, which is the top 3 positions. Now we know that the top 3 positions do get the highest click-through rate. So what we want to do is make sure that this landing page is optimized for this keyword. It already has clicks, good amount of impressions, and this is an important keyword for us. So we want to make sure this page is optimized for this keyword. That way it doesn't drop down later. This other keyword stands out as well, the second to the last, because it went from the 3rd page up to the 1st page. And the majority of us never go to the 2nd page of Google. So what I want to do is make sure that this particular keyword stays on the 1st page so I can optimize this specific landing page that's ranking. We could take a look at this column, so the 7-day position change. This keyword actually jumped the most. It jumped over 15 positions. That's a 63% change. And it also has some clicks already. So this is another great keyword we can focus on. Now there might be some keywords here that have improved, but maybe they are not really relevant for our business. So instead of keeping it in this list, we can click on the ignore button and it will be completely removed from this table. So we don't need to focus on that. And we can just focus on the important keywords that we actually want to see stay with higher positions on Google. So if many of these keywords have high search volume, I'd highly recommend you focus on these keywords versus other keywords you were probably focusing on before. That way you can maintain and improve your organic traffic to your website. Now, I'll include a link to Website Ranking Checker below so you could use it for free. So with that said, thank you so much, and we will see you in the next one.